This is a video chart presentation of Cardiome Pharma Corp, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Cardiome is a NASDAQ-listed company trading our ticker CRME. Obviously a biotech play, dropped from over $3 a share. Assuming there must have been some bad drug news, stock has plummeted all the way down to around 40 cents, holding a nice base at 38 cents. It's a technical stock to watch this week. Because of the move last Thursday, some volume came in, stock tried to come off that base, consolidated a little bit, but again yesterday closed upward. Our other U.S. stock to watch, AEZS, was in a similar position. It's already made a very strong move this week, so I thought I'd do CRME, as it's going to stay on watch, try and make a stronger move as well and blow through this 50-day moving average. Seeing a nice upward climb in the MACD, approaching the zero line, which is very important. You want to see it break through zero. Kind of an offset pinch. ADX was up extremely high with the gap down in the drop in share price, but now it looks like it's cooling off. That downward trend is losing some strength. Positive and negative DIs in a pretty neutral position. All in all, the ADX is giving hints that downward pressure might be coming to an end. Nice movement in the MFIs, broken back through 50, holding above that level. Accumulation distribution is baselined, but also starting to make some higher lows, and actually starting to make some slightly higher highs. Shaking money flow shows that over the last couple months, buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. CCI dropped a buy signal on the break of 100 right through that area. It is still holding above 100, so technically speaking, it has not dropped a sell signal at this point. It's in a holding position until it breaks back through 100. And of course, right now, if it does make a move, breaks through some resistance, what we'll see is that CCI break back upward and strengthen the concept of a hold position. Full still, making higher lows. In the more near term, much sharper move, now over top of 50. That's where I want to see it. It's a much more bullish position. See through there as the stock's been downtrending. Full still has been holding below 50. It's a very bearish position. I always want to see the inverse of that. In the indicator holding above 50, it's a bullish position if that happens. And the trick's also trending back towards zero. That also tells me that downward trend is losing some strength. But again, it's still at -1. I want to see it break through the zero mark. RSIs gradually increasing as well. Now right around that critical position of trying to push through 50. 7 has already made its way. It's registering a 56.64. But I really want to see the red and gold lines, 14 and 21 RSIs, make their way and break through and hold above 50 as well. From a candle standpoint, as I mentioned, nice support. Drops all the way down to 37 cents, but it's even stronger there at 38. That would be the bottom support I'd want to see hold on any further pullback. And what I'd be looking for is a holding above this channel that it was in for several weeks. It did push through it. There's a pretty strong resistance point right there at 42 cents. In the 3 days subsequent to that move, stock's been holding above that as a closing price, and I want to see that continue to hold as a new support level. And right now what I'd be looking for is a volume spike to come back in, to see this come up and challenge this 50-day moving average, which ties in with a little bit of resistance right there around 45, 46 cents. If it can make that break, I don't see more resistance coming in play until up around 54 cents, which is a very nice move from where it is at this level, closing at 43. So the percentage upside of that next resistance is quite large, and also could be hinting at the idea that it might come up and challenge the next resistance up around 60 cents. The stock clearly has a lot of room to try and make up all the way up to this gap around $1.90. I don't know anything fundamentally about this company. I don't know what happened through here. This is purely a technical look at it. And because it's formed such a solid base, I think it's one worth keeping on radar to see if it's finding a true bottom and potentially going to start to uptrend from here forward. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the CRME chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.